Last summer, a nasty hailstorm hit Harrisonburg, and the Ziembas roof was damaged pretty bad. The very next day, they called us up, and after checking things out, the Ziembas opted to get a new roof and gutter guards. They chose our signature roof package because it comes with a lifetime warranty for both labor and materials. They chose GAF's barkwood color for the shingles, which look great against their brick house exterior. The Ziembas have beautiful landscaping all around their home, so our crew had to be extra careful and utilize the Equipter machine to collect materials and prevent damage. All in all, this was another job well done by our crew that has been working together at Valley Roofing and Exteriors for over 10 years. It was our pleasure to help the Ziembas with a roof that will last a lifetime.